If you like our video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on our new video. Don't forget to share our video too.
Hello, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about something simple. Yes, ratios. Now, what are ratios? Ratios, they express how many times one value is of the other. Yes, it expresses how many times one value is of the other. Now, ratios always exist between the quantities of same kind. So you have ratios between two heights, two weights, but you cannot have ratios between height and weight. And also the units must be the same. So ratio exists between quantities of same kind and having same units. Next, ratio is a pure number and hence it has no units. Please remember this. Let's continue further now. Ratio between, say, A and B. Okay, so A and B can be expressed as A is to B or A by B. Now in A is to B, A is called the first term. Yes, the first term. So B would be the second term. Now the first term is also called as antecedent. Yes, the first term is antecedent and the second one is called the consequent. Now let's go on defining the different or various types of ratios. Now let's take a ratio. Say given ratio is in the form A is to B. So the first type would be the inverse ratio. Yes, the inverse ratio would be B is to A. Next, it's duplicate ratio. So duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. Next is the triplicate ratio, and that is A cube is to B cube. Next comes the sub-duplicate ratio. The sub-duplicate ratio is root A is to root B. Next is the sub-triplicate ratio, and that is cube root A is to cube root B. Next comes ratio of greater inequality, that is when A is greater than B. Next is ratio of lesser inequality. So it's opposite. Here A is less than B. The last one is the compound ratio or compounded ratio. Now if you have two ratios, say A is to B and C is to D, then right, so A by B, C by D, then the compounded ratio is given by, now you multiply the numerators and the denominators, so it is AC upon BD. So these are the ratios for you. Like it, share it, and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos in future. Thank you.